Welcome back to the new friends. Today we are going to talk about how to off touch sound setting in Oppo phone. Guys, this touch sound setting as you want to off, so you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching it first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on sound and vibration. Guys, click on more sound. And as you can see, touch sounds. So guys, off it. So guys, touch sound has off in our Oppo phone, as you can see. So I think friends, we have understood how to off touch sound setting in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.